This is a video I'm going to post up about repairing an Xbox 360. This is it, my Halo Edition Xbox 360. I sent it into a company to get repaired from the Ring of Death lights it was having. Paid almost $100 to have it done, and we got it back, and it worked for about 2 weeks and then it quit again. So I sent it back in under the warranty repair, and we got it back again, and it worked for about a day and a half, and now it's freezing up again. So I've got this neat idea for a repair this time, and there won't be any problems with it after this. Well, we've made it to our Xbox repair center. You guessed it, it's the desert. And what I've done is I've packed in 3 pounds of tannerite in that cardboard box there. We got the Xbox parked on top of it, and we're going to send this thing into about 1 million pieces because I'm tired of spending money on it. Put the blast shield over the top of it. Okay, here we go. So that's what we got left of the Xbox, right in this 5-gallon bucket here. Just basically some spare parts, pieces, chunks of metal all tore up, configured and twisted every which way. So that ought to do it. I call it repaired.